Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an unknown network error has occurred issue on Edits app in Android phone. So guys, if you're trying to log in your account on Edits app but you are unable to log in your Instagram account and you are unable to link your Instagram account with Edits app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen and now you have to simply go to the Play Store and search for Edits app. So guys, make sure that you are using a strong internet connection and then search for Edits app, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of Edits app on your device. So guys, connect your internet connection and search for Edits app. So guys, simply search for Edits app and download and install the latest version of Edits app on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply drag down your control center and change your internet connection. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to any Apple device and then you have to simply link Instagram account with Edits app on your Apple device first. So guys, simply do this, and once you link your Instagram account with Edits app on your iPhone, after this log in your account in Edits app on your Android phone as well. So guys, do this and this will fix this issue very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.